Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing for you guys. For some reason this one always comes a little bit later in the month. I think usually because this is what I add my add-ons to. I did go ahead and cancel my regular Ipsy Glam Bag. I just felt that the value for the products I was getting really wasn't worth it. But I did decide to stay with my Glam Bag Plus and upgrade my BoxyCharm to BoxyCharm Ultimate. So let's jump in and get started so we can see what I got in my Ipsy. So my box barely shut. It was bulging this month. As you can see, I have a box full of products to show you guys. I will let you know what is add-ons and what came standard in the box. I'm going to go ahead and start with the standard products. The first item I have here is the Betty Boop X Ipsy Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. Now, if you see my last video, you know I'm not too keen on these collaborations. I rather get name brand products, but I will say this blush palette was pretty, so chances are I will keep it and I will use it because the colors are nice. So we will see how that performs, because those colors are super nice. And if it doesn't work for me, I'll pass it on to someone in my family or so forth. So that was a standard item in my subscription. Another item that came with my standard subscription is the Tristique Powder Stick All Over Star Lighter. So this is a highlighter. Now I do have to say that when they were doing this box, none of this stuff goes together color-wise. Like, this could not be a full-on look. So the color of this is Ultraviolet. So when I open up Ultraviolet, it looks like this. I don't know if I'm too keen on the packaging. So it looks like a little pencil top. It's short. I'd rather if it just came in a standard compact. And then it looks like that. So, I mean, I like that color. I definitely will use that color. It's more of a cool tone, iridescent shimmer. So I'm happy with that. Moving on to the next item I got in my box. I received these Jewel Smith Beauty Power Lip Gloss, Namaste All Day, and Serene Queen. These are coral colors. I don't wear corals. I have my Ipsy profile set up. I mainly wear light pinks. I wear nudes, and once in a while I'll wear a bold lip, but I do not wear coral. So these will be set aside for a giveaway. So I really wish that Ipsy would have paid more attention to detail when it came to that. The next item was the item that I got to pick, and I picked for the month the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. I think this had like a $65 or $85 value on it. Very expensive. I say it, and I say it in every video I do like this. I love me some good skincare. So when I get the option to pick good skincare, I'm going to pick that over makeup any single day. I don't even remember what the other option was, but I knew I wanted this. This was an excellent value, excellent brand. Very happy to receive this in my box. This definitely made my whole box worthwhile. Not to mention, I do like the Tristique, and I fell hard in love with the next item. So this is the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot. I've been curious about these because I've seen Terra Babies do videos on these, as well as the highlighter. They are super pretty. The color that I received is Martini. Not a color I would have picked for myself, but you know what? That's okay. Because it gave me the option to try this formula out, and it got me to fall in love with it. And I want to buy more. So I'm thinking about actually buying the holiday gift set of these. So it looks like that has a gold top, clear bottom. Color looks like that. You open it up and it is literally a pressed pigment. So be careful because it does have a stopper in it. But look at that. That is a gorgeous, dirty golden olive color. Like, I can imagine pairing that with some green eyeshadow or even pairing it with brown shadow. So it does have a little bit of versatility to it. And you know what? I'm going to swatch it for you guys so you can see why I'm in love with this. Like, holy Batman when it comes to pigment. That is insane. Insane, insane, insane. I want more. I want to hoard them all. I absolutely love these. I did notice as my swatch was wearing down that it does fade away quickly, so you are going to have to lock it down with a primer for sure. And sometimes the little lid can be a little bit tricky to get lined up to stay on the product. So the rest of the items I'm going to show you are add-ons. I did pick up 3 add-ons this month. The first one is a $3 add-on. I felt like this was definitely worthwhile. This is a Sigma E25 blending brush. $3, excellent price. So I went ahead and I picked that up because I know that I would use that. Like I said, I love good skincare. So when I see good skincare pop up, I always pick it up. These are the $12 add-ons. This is the Purlisse Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. I believe this has a retail value of $65. We'll go ahead and pop it out of the box so you guys can see what it looks like. And from what I've seen, this is a very lightweight serum. I've had a few Purlisse products and I really enjoy them. So super small tube, it is 1 fluid ounce, but that's typical of a serum. And to get that for 12 bucks was an awesome value with Ipsy. That's what I love about Ipsy, is the fact that you can do add-ons. I'm glad that BoxyCharm is starting to introduce that with their brand as well. Last but not least is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I have never ever used a cleansing balm in my life. Chances are I would have been afraid to purchase it and pay retail price. That's why I picked it up with Ipsy, $12. If I don't like it, I can pass it on to a family or friend, so that works out really good. Pharmacy is a really good brand, so I'm happy with this. And then now they started including bags with your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I got the black sequin, so not too bad, but I do save these bags because I make toiletry bags for the homeless women. So I usually put some feminine care products in there, wet wipes, a little thing of deodorant, just whatever I could fit as a little pick-me-up to give out to the shelter. Because like I said, I do not hang on to these bags. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And I did not tell you guys the theme of the month. It is Flaunt It, October 2019. So once again, thank you for watching, and bye everyone.